multi-station CNC drilling, tapping and milling, 6 to 13 m rectangular pipe and profile processing center. Drilling, tapping and milling group of 6 m ultra-long stroke double station multi-piece at the same time. Dual station design, alternate processing of AB station, realizing uninterrupted cycle processing of feeding and discharging materials at one working station. Customized for drilling various long strip materials such as 1 to 13 m aluminum, plastic, steel, iron, GRP and copper. Drilling of heavy metal material without fear of large diameter deep holes. One-time clamping can automatically complete drilling, chamfering, tacking, hot melt, pulling rivet, milling and other processes. Innovative technology for hot melt drilling and tacking of 6 m long metal profiles and pipes. It solves the punching and sinking problem of metal thin wall pipe fittings, and automatically taps without riveting. The machine can extend and add rivet pulling function to realize automatic punching and automatic nailing without hands.